Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Halo Mini on a brand new 2023/24 with the latest steering wheel Halo Mini. So how the system works, let's see if it's armed. I'm going to open the door, and if you look at the actual light on the door, it's actually already armed. So if I try and start it, put my foot on the brake, it just won't even start, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle without their foot on the brake, start button once for accessory or twice for main ignition when you've got all your yellow and your red lights. On here we've done a basic code, so tap, two taps to the left and two taps to the right, and we'll get a flash here. So tap, 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 tap. There's our flash, red light. Foot on the brake, and vehicle's now running. Okay, really simple and straightforward. When I open the door, if you watch carefully, as soon as I open the door, we'll get the handshake. There's our flash, system is now armed, okay? So if I then try and start it again, if you watch carefully, the vehicle just will not start, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to place it in valet mode, and the way we do that, without our foot on the brake, turn the start button on to main ignition, yellow and red lights, insert the code and hold on the last press. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our flash. Keep watching. We're going to get a 5 flash handshake and the system will be in valet mode. Just keep watching. Shortly, there you go, there's our 5 flash handshake. It's now in valet mode, so if I turn the start button off, open and close the door, system won't arm. So I'll try and start it and the vehicle will just start, okay? The vehicle's now running, okay? To take it out of valet mode, just repeat the same thing again, just to reverse it. So no foot on the brake, tap the start button to get the main ignition on, yellow and red lights. Insert the code and hold on the last press. So tap, 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 hold, keep holding for about 15 to 20 seconds. We'll get visual confirmation on the door to say it's coming out of valet mode. So just keep watching carefully. Keep watching. There you go. We've got our visual flash. Turn off the start button. Let's open the door. There's our flash. System is now armed, okay? So now what we want to do, we want to change the code. And the way we would do that without running the vehicle, so no foot on the brake, tap the start button for main ignition, accessory, again main ignition, insert the original code, so tap, 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 tap. We've disarmed the system. We're going to tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times, and then we're going to get a flash to say we're in learn mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our flash. This time we're just going to change it and go 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 1. Start button off quickly. There's our flash. The new code should be learned. So let's just open and close the door. Turn the start button on to main ignition, yellow and red lights. Try the old code. No flash. Start button off. Try the new code. So start button back on to main ignition. And let's try the new code. So 1, 2, 3, 1. There's our flash. New code. Foot on the brake, start the vehicle. So really simple and really straightforward to use. As I said, this is the Halo Mini on the very latest GLC with the latest steering wheel. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478. 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.